Have you ever wondered why the rich get richer and the poor get poorer? There could be a plethora of answers, right? It could be, that they had a leg up. Maybe they had a wealthy uncle that left them a lot of money. And so they've always had money. And so money came easy to them. So it was easier for them to make it. What I like to focus on when I hear this question is the tool of, that's right, you guessed it, tax planning. I feel like that is the number one reason why wealthy people continue to stay wealthy, is because they are using tools that are out there that most of us do not use, right? Angelica said, let me get my pen and pad. Thank you. Yes, ma'am, you're going to need it. Summarize with us too. He said, of course we have. How did Donald Trump pay less taxes than me? That's right. And so a lot of people were outraged, right, to find out that one of the wealthiest men in the world actually paid less taxes than the average Joe, who is probably working two jobs and has a medium income at best. But it is it's something that you can do, right? And it's also legal. That's the thing that most people don't understand. So that's the beauty of tax planning, is no matter where you are in your financial journey, you can start tax planning. That's what I tell you, right? I say this every week, that the wealthy do not wait until they become wealthy to tax plan, but rather use tax planning as a tool to grow their wealth.